Calaquachero, Calaquachero, we are here in Grand Palace. Yeah, we will tour you around Grand Palace building here in the square of Brussels. Come and join us. Yes, we are here by the Grand Palace here in Brussels, by the square. Look, the painting and everything. Mga lumang-luma at old na talaga siya. This is really old paintings. Mga 300 years old to 400. Grabe. Look at all the paintings here. Sobrang mamahal. At ang mga chandelier there. O, diba? Antique na. And if you go up, there's also a lot of painting over here. So, kaya grabe sa ganda. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dami. May isa siyang room na parang dining room nila but there's no light. So, yeah, kaya hindi siguro nagbayad ng kuryente kaya walang ilaw. Kasi sobra ng 400 years old na kasi yung building na to. Kaya wala nang pambayad sa kuryente. Jokes, joke! Yeah. Super ganda ang Grand Palace here in Brussels. Actually, the normal day, you can tour around pag normal days. But now, because it's a special occasion, they have a flower carpet in front of this Grand Palace. So that's why we can come here. You will pay for coming in here. Ayan, magbabayad ka para makita. Tingnan mo yung mga haligi niya, oh. Talaga may mga ukit pa talaga sa taas ng haligi. You see? The sculpture at the top, on the ceiling. At yung mga painting, naku, talagang mamahalin. That's why no wonder why this has become a UNESCO heritage in 1998. This is a UNESCO heritage since 1998. So it's almost, yeah, 20 years na na-declare na this is a UNESCO heritage here in Brussels. And the most beautiful building, I think, inside also and outside here in Brussels. Look, yung mga ceiling niya, grabe. It's all painted. Yeah, this is the queue for the people who are going to watch the, at least makikita namin dito, maganda ang view ng Flower Carpet Festival. So, look, we're showing you a lot of paintings, and this is the tiger. I have the tiger. Look, this tiger is also a flower. Can you imagine this tiger is also made of flower? Wow! So, makikita mo to before you go to the balcony. So, para makita ang flower carpet. It's so beautiful, right? You can't imagine that this is made of flower. Dahlia flower. Ang ganda. Super ganda. O, diba? Look kung paano nila to ginawa. Yellow dahlia. At in the ceiling of this, dito siya nakalagay sa room na to. Yeah. Look, yung mga carpet dito, grabe. At heto, dito na kami sa terrace, yung kanilang terrace. Ayan, ayan yung binabayaran para makitang mabuti ang ganda ng flower festival, flower carpet. Ayan ang carpet, look. Grabe, ang ganda, diba? Nakita nyo? It's flower, fresh flower. Can you imagine that? At nandito kami sa Grand Palace building. Dito sa square. I think this is the most beautiful square. Grabe, in Europe. As I can see. Super beautiful talaga. At it's all my gold talaga. Golden square. Ang ganda-ganda ng square dito sa Brussels. So, don't miss it. At malapit lang dito, you can go to Manikipis. Ayan, ang ganda, nakita nyo yung carpet. Carpet na flower. This is every 2 years. Only here in Brussels, the Flower Carpet Festival. So, next time, it will be on 2026 naman. I always miss actually yung flower carpet, but this time, ayan, di ko siya na-miss. At lucky na nakita rin namin yung tiger na, look, flower din, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. So it's really worth it na magbayad. If you're coming here next time, in 2 years time, you can pay and go up here in Grand Palace. Yan, para makita nyo yung ganda ng flower carpet. Really worth it. Yeah, highly recommended na talaga magpunta ka. And you will see also this Grand Palace building. It's really beautiful. 300 almost 400 years old na building na to. Ang ganda-ganda. Super ganda niya talaga. Grabe. Yeah, mga antique na ang mga nasa loob. Yeah, at ayan, this year nilagyan nila yung flower na tiger. So that's additional attraction. At they have a room like this also here. Kita nyo yung room na to. Super ganda. All the room is really so beautiful. Kaya nga, as I said, it's no wonder na maging UNESCO heritage tong building na to, itong Grand Palace. Kasi sobrang ganda niya sa lahat ng place, lahat ng sulok. Wala ka maitulak kabigin. You see? Super ganda. Ay, nako. Nakaka-amaze. Super amazing. So, thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Bumaba na kami sa Grand Palace. So, babaan na. Thank you. Thank you, Grand Palace. We'll see you next time again, maybe in 2 years time. At ang aking mga kasama, si Sophia and Andrea. Thank you, guys.